Good day everyone. I am Evanjan C. Napoles, a student of FIT Electrical 1D. Today I will be introducing myself and sharing my goals in life, the improvement I plan to make this semester, and the importance of this subject in achieving my goals. My goals in life. One of my main goals in life is become a successful and responsible professional in the future. I want to have a stable job so I can support my family and improve our quality of life. Aside 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 from financial stability, I also want to grow as a person, someone who is disciplined, hardworking, and able to contribute positive to society. This goal is important to me because I believe that success is not only about personal achievement but also about helping and making difference. Drastic improvement this semester. Achieve my goal. One drastic improvement I will make this semester is improving my time management and self-discipline. Before, I sometimes procrastinate or delay tasks which affect my performance this semester. I will create a daily schedule. Avoid distraction like too much phone use. Focus more on my time. I believe this improvement is important because discipline is the foundation of success. Without, even if we have a goal, we may not achieve them. By becoming more disciplined and managing my time, well, I can become more productive and closer to achieve my dreams. Importance of the subject CWT is 2. I believe this subject is very important in achieving my goal because it helps develop not only my knowledge but also my character. CWT is teaching us responsibility, teamwork, leadership, service to the community. These values are essential in real life. In the future, success is not just about skill, but also about how we treat others and contribute to society. Through this subject, I can become a better person and a more responsible citizen, which will help me achieve my life goals. Conclusion. In conclusion, my goal in life is to become successful and responsible. To achieve this, I will improve my discipline and time management this semester. I believe that this subject plays an important role in helping me grow out only academically but also personally.